Hey guys, this is Jeremy with JSCR Custom Knives. Normally I make custom knives, hence the name. Each individual one, custom to the person that calls in and makes the order. But I've been wanting to try out something new, and so I need y'all's help. So basically, I've been thinking about making either a set of 3 throwing knives or 2, maybe 3 pre-made knives as opposed to making them custom made to order. But I'm an extremely indecisive person. So here's where y'all come in. Comment underneath this video on whether I should make the set of 3 throwing knives or the 3 regular knives or everyday carry knives. Second thing I need you guys to put on there is whether or not I should make them out of stainless steel, which what I have on hand is 440C stainless steel, or whether I should make them out of a high carbon steel, such as 1095, I think is what I have on hand. The pros and cons to those would obviously with the stainless steel would be higher corrosion resistance, but with the higher carbon steel, I can put a force patina on to help, aid with the corrosion resistance, but I can also, make different patterns and stuff with different techniques on that type of blade. So if I get enough feedback from this video, I will be making a video of, it'll go back and forth, me making a video just like this one, and then me making a video of me actually doing that step of the process of making a knife. Then I'll come back and do another video just like this, asking, such as like, which kind of handle material should I choose? And we'll just go through on the whole process of making these knives. I appreciate y'all watching this. I really hope this works out. Really seems like it'd be a really fun little project. So if I get enough comments and input on this, I'll post another video in the next few days saying, what the results were. So if you do leave a comment or you just want to see what happens, make sure you subscribe so that you'll get notified and find out what I ended up going with. I also might be uploading a few videos of some of my completed knives, just to kind of show them off and give examples of some of the stuff that I make. Here's one that I actually just ended up finishing. This is just a little skinner, but this is an example of one of the patinas that I can put on a blade. This handle material is actually called Desert Camo Kieranite. I don't know how they came up with that name, but it looks pretty nice. This is an example of, like I said, the 1095 high carbon steel, and that's that's something I wouldn't be able to do on the blade if we ended up going with the stainless. But again, stainless has that corrosion resistance, so that would be really nice. Be a lot easier to take care of. With the high carbon steels, you got to make sure you keep them nice and clean and oiled, just basically like a gun. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up now. Bye.